Hi everybody in YouTube land, this is Junie. I'm coming back with my shop update. I put some shelves in here. Got a little hanger up there. Trying to clean it out. So this is kind of what it looks like. There you go. I got my chainsaw on the floor over there. Mower's back there. So let me show you kind of what I did. I basically had some leftover lumber from my deck, and I just built a thing to hold my weed whacker and the accessories too. Next to it, I had some scrap lumber, and I just hung my rakes and stuff. Here's some of my garden stuff that I use a lot. And I built this holder out of a 2x4. I just basically made a big old hole right there, as you can see. It's starting to get dark. I'm trying to finish this up. My leaf blower. These are like hose and rakes. Some shovels and our old rake. This is my pole saw cutter. I still gotta build something to hold that. And I gotta figure out something to do with the post hole digger as well. But yeah, so this is basically what I have. Just some gas cans and stuff up there. Those are empty. Some old shovels, sledgehammers and stuff like that. There you go. Some ladders. American flag, some outdoor furniture stuff. And this is the wood that I'm using that was scrap. Yeah, so this is what it is. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it. Other than that, I hope you're cleaning out your shed too. See you all later. Bye.